Now see the sixth question. Show that the line segment joining the midpoints of the opposite sides of a quadrilateral bisect each other. Now this is a quadrilateral ABCD. In this, the midpoints of the sides are E, F, G and H. Now we have to prove that this EG and HF bisect each other. Okay. So first of all you will write what is given to us. Then you will write to prove. What we have to prove? That EG and HF bisect each other. Okay. Now after that we will write construction. What construction we have done? We have joined EF, FG, GH, HE and AC. This is our construction. Okay. Now see the proof. In triangle ABC, in this triangle E and F are the midpoints. Okay. So if E and F are the midpoints, then by midpoint theorem this EF will be parallel to AC and EF will be half of AC. Okay. So we can write E and F are the midpoints of AB and BC respectively. Therefore by midpoint theorem EF is equals to half of AC and EF equals to half of EF parallel to AC. Now name this equation as equation number 1. Now see the next triangle, that is triangle ADC. In this triangle also H is the midpoint of AD and G is the midpoint of CD. So in this also by midpoint theorem this HG will be parallel to AC and will be half of AC. So in this also we can write in triangle ADC H and G are the midpoints of AD and CD respectively. And if these are midpoints, then by midpoint theorem, here you will write by midpoint theorem, HG will be half of AC and HG will be parallel to AC. Now see both the equations 1 and 2. In equation 1, EF is equals to half of AC and in equation 2, HG is also equal to half of AC. That means these both will also be equal. So from equation 1 and 2, we can write EF equals to HG. Okay. And EF is parallel to AC and HG is also parallel to AC. That means these both will also be parallel. So from equation 1 and 2, we can write this also, that EF is parallel to HG. Now see, this EF is parallel to this HG and is also equal to this HG. So EFGH will be a parallelogram. Why? Because one pair of its opposite sides are equal and parallel. So in this we will write, since one pair of opposite sides of EFHG are equal and parallel, therefore EFGH is a parallelogram. Now see, if EFGH is a parallelogram, then EG and HF are the diagonals of this parallelogram. So we will write, now EG and FH are the diagonals of parallelogram EFGH, and we know that by the properties of parallelogram that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So here we will write, and we know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That means this EG and FH bisect each other, since they are the diagonals of parallelogram EFGH, so they will bisect each other. And at last you can write, hence proved. Thank you everyone. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and stay connected with A1 study classes.